Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put money in Fidelity account full guide. Start by signing in or creating your Fidelity account, then link your checking or savings bank using routing and account numbers. Choose an ACH transfer for free deposits, set up recurring contributions if you want automation, or select a wire for faster access when needed, and always confirm transfer limits before submitting. I will explain practical transfer options and when to use each. ACH is cost-free and reliable for routine funding, while wires offer speed for urgent contributions at possible bank fees. Mobile check deposit is handy for physical checks, and initiating rollovers lets you consolidate retirement accounts into Fidelity. Always check transfer limits and processing times so your money arrives when you expect and transactions clear smoothly. Please subscribe and hit like if this guide is helping you fund your Fidelity account. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the simple path to wealth because it makes saving and investing feel achievable and calming, a great companion while you set up recurring contributions or rethink budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might change how you handle money. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain how timing and limits affect your funding plans and trading readiness. Review daily transfer caps and any per-transaction limits from both Fidelity and your linked bank, and plan around weekends or bank holidays that delay processing. Remember that deposited funds may have a short hold period before you can trade or withdraw, and scheduling transfers ahead of time prevents missed investment opportunities and reduces stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.